Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Shopmium website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in shopmium.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shopmium website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. If you have linked your Facebook or your Apple account, then you can click on the respective buttons to log in with a shortcut. Otherwise, enter your email address that you have entered while signing up for your account and then type in your password that you have set. Finally, click on the sign in button and you will now be logged into your Shopmium account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Shopmium website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.